In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from a collaboration on your YouTube channel. If you had collaborated with any of the creator or you had accepted collaboration and you no longer need the video to be associated with your account, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and withdraw from that collaboration. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio, and this will take you to your YouTube Studio. From here, head to content, and from content you should see collaborations. Now if you click on collaborations, here you'll see a list of all the videos you collaborated with other creators. For instance, I have this one and I wish to withdraw my collaboration from this because I was not the original creator. I only accepted collaboration for this video. To withdraw from this collaboration, hover over the video and you should see we have an option to manage collaborations here. If you click on this, now you have an option to withdraw from this collaboration. So I'll go ahead and click on withdraw. And by clicking on withdraw here, you'll be asked to confirm if indeed you no longer want your YouTube name to feature on this video from the other channel. So from here, I'll confirm by clicking on withdraw. And now you can see I no longer have that video on my collaboration list. So that's how you can withdraw from collaboration on YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.